everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Now I've made a video on 700 free orbs already, but since that video wasn't detailed enough, so I received a ton of comments asking a bunch of questions. That's why I am making a detailed video on it. I want you to keep in mind that the last day is July 29th, so make sure to claim it before that. In simple language, Discord is giving away 700 orbs due to their collab with a game called Wildgate. But what is Wildgate? I am not too sure myself, but from the looks of it, it's a new game that's something about spaceships and space missions, and is only available on Steam, PlayStation 5, and Xbox. And you need to purchase it. So if you're interested, feel free to get it and join their server. Now keep one thing in mind. Discord orbs are not the same as Discord Nitro. Discord orb is like a currency that you can earn by watching these videos. After claiming them, you can buy anything you want, including free Nitro, as long as it fits your budget. There are also some old profile and avatar effects that you can buy. I remember that these effects are around 5 months to 1 year old since they brought these effect features. So yeah, it's like the supermarket. The vegetables or bakery items that are not sold, they put 75% discount tags on it by the end of the day. Now I'll answer all the questions you have, so let's go. This guy says some people have access to 3 more 700 orbs quest, and they already have almost 3k. It is true, but also not true, because the truth is, they have more than 5,000 orbs. And that's because this feature was in beta, and some people received around 4,000 orbs or more. That's the reason. I am sure Discord will give away that many or more orbs again. Now there are so many questions about this that asks that he is from France, but he didn't receive orbs, and there's another guy from Hungary who faces the same issue. I thought it was only for one person, so I asked my staff who's also from France that if he received 700 orbs, and he also said no, he didn't. Now this makes the issue quite complicated because normally in all their articles, they mention where their services are not available, and there's a list of countries where there's either war happening or heavy US and EU sanctions are slapped. But France and Hungary are not sanctioned, so I'm not quite sure. So yeah, this is all there is to this video. I hope you've learned how the Discord orbs work. If you liked and enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server. We have emojis, server decors, and layouts. And let me know in the comments below if you received or not received 700 Discord orbs. Also, while you're at it, claim it as soon as possible.